How to log into Yahoo Mail account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your browser. After that, in the search bar, you have to click and search for Yahoo Mail login. After entering to it, you'll be able to see this interface. So you have to go for Yahoo Mail, which is in the first paragraph. After clicking on that, you'll be able to see this interface. So in the right upper corner, you can see the sign in option. So you have to simply click on sign in. If you have already saved the password and your email or user ID, then you'll be directly signed in. But if you haven't done that, then you can simply click on the username, email or mobile option in the right hand side, and from over there you can enter any of those. And after that, you can simply click on next, and by doing that you'll be signed in. If you want to create an account, then you can simply go for create an account option over here, or you can also continue with your Google, which I have done, and by doing that you can log into your Yahoo account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.